Kasi takot ako sa pusa eh. Meow meow. So cute. So cute. Yes, yes, yes. So cute. No. So cute naman eh, meow meow. Are you okay, meow meow? He's so big. Hello mga kabayan ko. So, malapit na tayo maka 1,000 subscribers. So, pag naka 1 million subscriber ako, etong nakikita nyo to. Ito. At yan. Ayan. Lahat po yan. Mga hindi pa po yan bukas. Yan po ang aking mga ipamimigay sa aking mga subscriber. So, yung iba kinabit na sa amin. So, ito po yung sample niyan. Hey Google, what time is it now?
It's 3:55 p.m.
Hey Google, what is the weather for today?
Today in San Jose, it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of 88 and a low of 62.
Hey Google.
Right now.
Hey Google, thank you.
My pleasure.
Hey Google, how are you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. What can I help you with?
Hey Google, who's your boss?
That would be you.
Good job. So,
Glad you like it.
yan. So, pero matagal-tagal pa yan. So, pag nag 1 million subscriber na ako, so, iipunin ko lang yan. So, marami-rami na siya. Baka dumating yung time. So, may pamimigay ko mga sana umabot ng mga 100. Okay, so enjoy lang muna tayo. So, lahat ng mga to, hindi pa yan bukas. Ayan. So, ito naman yung para sa CCTV. Ito naman sa Google Home Mini. So, mag-aano tayo nito ng unbox. Para sa Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, Google Photos, Wemo. Yan. So, ito yung kaninang pina-example ko. Yung Google Assistance. Hindi pa rin po yan bukas. Try naman natin yung isa. Hey Google, turn on the TV.
Alright, turning on the TV.
See? Here's my hand. Tapos hawak ko yung phone ko.
Parents that have helped raise her.
Hey Google, turn off the TV.
To take a nap.
Alright, turning off the TV.